Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need pink, purple, and blue pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle. You're going to need a string that measures about 50 inches. You're also going to need a string the size of your wrist if you want to turn this into a bracelet. We're going to start with our long piece of string. You'll put blue on each side, blue that goes through both, blue on one side, pink on the other, blue that goes through both, blue on both sides, blue that goes through both, blue on one side, pink on the other, blue that goes through both, blue on each side, and we're going to hold this string and then pull the other one. Well, pull these tight. And tie this. Cut that off. You're going to put your needle on. Okay, we're going to go through this blue. We're going to add a pink, another pink, pink, another pink. Flip this over, go through the blue, we're going to add a blue. Well, this whole row will be blue. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this blue. Flip it over. This row will be blue. You're going to go down these two. Up this one and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add blue. Okay, we're going to go down these two blue. Up this blue and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add a blue. This time we're going to go through these three blue. Down this one and then up these two. Flip it over. We're going to add a pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, and we're going to go down these two blue, up these two and down this pink. We're going to add a purple, another purple. We're going to add a purple, another purple. We're going to add a purple, pink, purple, pink, okay, we're going to go through these two, up these two, and then down this one. We're going to add a pink, another pink, pink, and another pink. Flip it over. We're going to add a pink, blue, pink, blue, and we're going to add a pink. We'll go down these two. Up these two and then down this one. Okay, this whole row will be blue. Flip it over. This row is going to be blue. We're going to go down these two. Up these two and then down this one. Okay, this row is going to be blue. We're going to go down these two. We're going to go up these two and then down this one. This row's blue. Okay, we're going to go down these two. Up this one and then down this one. This row will be blue. Okay, we're going to go through that bead. I'm trying to decide if I want to stop here or add another one. Yeah, we'll do one more row and then we'll be done. So go ahead and come back. So we came out of this bead. We're going to go down these two, up this one, and then down this one. And this will be our last row. 2 blue. Yeah, there we go. Go ahead and tie this. Okay, and then if you want to make this a bracelet, you could do it there. I think I'm going to switch mine up. I'm going to put my string through here. And I'm going to make it a double. So I'm adding 3 pink on each side and then a purple that goes through both. Probably 2 more. And this is optional. Like you could use this for a necklace or whatever you want to do. One more. Okay. Now to tie this, I'm gonna go through this pink. And I'm gonna go, this is a little tricky here. Okay, goodness. So I went through those beads and then I'll tie it right here. Oh no. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.